If a thermostat calls for heating or cooling and there is no voltage between the common and the appropriate terminal, that missing signal usually points to wiring, thermostat, fuse, or transformer issues that need immediate systematic checking. First, turn off power at the furnace or air handler to avoid shorts. Then visually inspect the transformer for loose leads and the control board for any blown 5 amp or similar fuses. A blown fuse on the control board is a common cause of no common voltage, and replacing it often restores operation. Next, with power restored, measure the transformer's secondary output across its 2 low voltage terminals. A healthy transformer will show approximately 24 volts alternating current, and a significantly lower reading or 0 indicates a failed transformer that must be replaced. If the transformer reads correctly, remove the thermostat from the wall and measure between the common terminal and the hot terminal at the thermostat cable bundle at the furnace to isolate whether the wiring carries the common. An open or shorted conductor between locations implies damaged or miswired cable. Inspect all terminal screws for corrosion, paint, or improper tightening. Clean and retighten connections or restrip, and properly terminate conductors if necessary. Test the thermostat itself by temporarily connecting a known good thermostat or using a continuity test on its common output while calling for heat or cool. A faulty thermostat electronically blocking the common will require replacement. Finally, check the control board logic for stuck relays or a failed common termination point. Some boards have fused common traces or modular connectors that fail and will necessitate board repair or replacement. The 3 most common issues are a blown control board fuse, broken or miswired thermostat cable, and a failed transformer. Replace a blown fuse with the correct rated fuse and investigate what caused the blow before leaving it replaced. For a broken or miswired cable, trace the conductors at both ends, re-terminate with proper ferrules or screw terminals, and use the same color convention to avoid miswiring during future service. For a failed transformer, confirm low voltage output before replacing. Match the mounting, primary voltage, and secondary voltage ratings, and consider upgrading to a transformer with a slightly higher volt-amp rating if the system has additional accessories to prevent underload stress. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trusted local contractors by aggregating qualified profiles, verified reviews, and project estimates to streamline hiring decisions. Contractors find work through targeted leads, project matching, and tools that simplify bidding and client communication.